cherry blossom pattern is ready, and it's already listed on my shop, so you can go ahead and download it. And all needed instructions how to stitch it. So how the pattern looks like. This is the pattern itself, and it has instructions for stitches and DMC color numbers. Also, there are detailed illustrations for step-by-step stitching. The most complicated part of this pattern it's the flower itself, but even if you're a beginner, I think you will be stitching it without any issues, because step-by-step instructions will show you all the layers for stitching it, so you will be able to do it if you beginner. So a lot of instructions and comments from me, suggestions. There's also a stitch guide which shows each stitch and how to do it, just basic tutorials. And yeah, there are also links to video tutorials on the internet. So also there is stitches direction guide for satin stitch, which is important, because when you do when your direction of stitches is right, so you can make your embroidery to look naturally and neat. So I suggest following these directions. And also there is pattern for transferring to the fabric. You can print this page and then do transferring. Yeah, that's it. This is how my pattern looks like. There are 10 pages. So yeah, I wanted to say also that there is a kit available for it, and you can order the kit, and you can choose the option where I can put the printed version of these patterns. It's a colorful pattern, just printed, and if you are comfortable this way, you can choose a printed version, or you can choose pattern emailed only. So it's up to you. That's it, guys. See you tomorrow on YouTube channel. Subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Bye, guys.